MYNA birds, known for their intelligence, sociability, and remarkable ability to mimic sounds, are fascinating creatures. Here's an extensive overview covering various aspects of MYNA birds. Introduction to MYNA birds. 1. Species variety. MYNA birds belong to the starling family and are known for their diverse species. Notable species include the common MYNA, hill MYNA, bank MYNA, and crested MYNA. 2. Physical characteristics. MYNAs often have a sleek, glossy plumage, with colors ranging from black and brown to vibrant shades. Some species, like the hill MYNA, are recognized for their striking yellow or orange patches and bright eye markings. Habitat and distribution. 1. Natural habitat. MYNAs are found in a variety of habitats, from urban areas to forests, and are known for their adaptability. Different species may have specific preferences, such as the hill MYNA favoring forested regions. 2. Global distribution. MYNA birds are distributed across Asia, Africa, and even parts of Australia. The common MYNA, native to South Asia, has successfully established populations in other regions due to human urbanization. Behavior and intelligence. 1. Social nature. MYNAs are highly social birds that often form